What we're going to be covering is the 9 places to find great affiliate products to promote and how you can find the perfect affiliate product to promote for yourself. So you can mix and match these different types of affiliate products in these booming industries, and the products that we can promote would be like micro mobility products, personalized nutrition, solar power, e-commerce, e-learning products, wearable technology products, internet publishing, software as a service products, money related, health related and love and relationship products. Okay, so you're going to want to stay to the end of this video because I'm going to share with you my number 1 private resource where you can find these affiliate products that I use personally for myself and I've earned commissions with as well. So the number 1 marketplace, the world leader in affiliate marketing that you might already know, it is my least favorite place to go, but it is one of the biggest places and most popular. If you're an affiliate marketer or you've been online for some time, you'll have known and heard about Clickbank before. And Clickbank is a great marketplace and it's relatively easy to create your account. There's no real barrier of entry. You can go and create a free account and find different products that you can promote. Here's the steps that you can take. When you create your account, you'll see here in the red box, these are all the different marketplace categories, from arts, green products, games, cooking, computers and internet, self-help, all these different products. You can select any one of these categories. Next, whenever you select a category, you can see the different products, and beside the product you'll be able to see the button promote. All you would want to do is click this promote button, and you can see there that the average conversion value you can make is like $38. Once you hit promote, then you would just go click and generate your hop links, and a hop link is just your affiliate link, and then you can see there that you can copy that hop link. Now what most people will do is they'll get this hop link and they'll just send traffic straight to the hop link, and they'll end up losing out, and this is why affiliate marketers fail. So what we want to do is we want to get our affiliate link and we want to build a marketing system, a custom marketing system around this affiliate product or whatever affiliate product that you want to promote. I will say this about Clickbank is that there's so many products on there, you're going to have to filter through some different products to find really good ones, but there is really great products in Clickbank. The next place here is Jvzoo, and it's a new marketplace that you can find products, and like I said, it's relatively easy to go ahead and sign up to these first few different marketplaces and find different products. Here the products are relatively good quality. Now I haven't personally promoted anything from Jvzoo. I am going to share with you my number 1 place where you can find products that I personally promote and have earned commissions with as well. The next place here is Jvzoo, and it's easy enough as well to go ahead and create an account and find all these different products in these different categories. Now you can see there's categories like business and finance, cooking, education, employment, gambling systems, green solutions, health, fitness, internet marketing, e-commerce products like we talked about there in booming industries, software products. You can find them all here as well on Jvzoo. Now what you'll be able to do is when you select a category, there's going to be other subcategories as well that you can select. So for example, if we clicked onto business and finance, there you could find affiliate marketing products as well. The next place here that's relatively easy to go and create your account is the Amazon Associates, and it's like giving you access to all the different Amazon products as well. So you can promote Amazon Audible, all different kind of products that Amazon has in their marketplace. So when you create an account, you would just go to the search. Whenever you're going to search for any product, then you would type in what type of product that you're looking for. Then you would go here and get your affiliate link. And you can see here this is a laptop that costs around $2,000. Now what I will say is with Amazon Associates you'll get paid like from 2 to 6% commission. Now that there 6% commission would be a lot nicer on more of a higher ticket type of product, meaning that you'll earn a little bit of a bigger commission. Now like I said, we don't necessarily want to promote Amazon Associates like as a front end offer because the commissions aren't that big and you need a lot of volume. But what you can do is you can leverage Amazon Associates and strategically place the Amazon Associate products in your marketing system to where you can promote them without spending a penny on advertising using something called a digital ecosystem. If you're enjoying this video and the button below here is red on YouTube, go ahead and make that YouTube button grey so that you don't miss an upcoming video, and subscribe to the channel, okay? Now whenever you go ahead and get your link, you can go to text only and then go to grab a short link, and you can see the Amazon affiliate link just down here, and you can grab your affiliate product there. The next place here is called Share a Sale, and Share a Sale has more products that you can choose from, and you can go ahead and look through different categories like accessories, books, education, power rank, marketing calendar, let's see, clothing, home and garden, and there's tons more. These here affiliate offers are a little bit harder to get access to, but whenever you get access, you can go ahead and become an affiliate for loads of different e-commerce sites, you know, like golfing sites, football sites, Reebok. There's loads of different companies in there, and you can be an affiliate for them companies. The next one, number 4 here, is Impact. Now I don't know too much about Impact, but you can find other great products to promote on here, and it is a little bit harder to get applied for and get access to Impact, but it is a place where you can go ahead and find all different products in them booming industries that we were just talking about there at the start. The third place is Commission Junction, and it is also a little bit relatively hard to get access to, but you can find loads of different affiliate products to promote that people already want to buy now in them booming industries on Commission Junction. My second favourite one here is called Network Marketing Companies, and network marketing is very, very, very similar to affiliate marketing in the sense that you're partnering with a company, and then with the network marketing you've got the whole thing of where you're building your teams, which is really, really cool. What's also really cool is that you can leverage a marketing system that I'm going to share with you a little bit later, and you can build a marketing system that sells for you 24/7 365 days a year around a network marketing company. Because the old way of doing network marketing is where, you know, you ask your friends and family and you go and find different people and you maybe do home shows and go and do meetups and things like that there, and that's like the traditional way of doing network marketing. And with what I'm going to teach you and show you more about is about building a system around this here to where you don't necessarily have to talk to anybody, and you can run ads to the marketing system that promotes your network marketing company. So if you're in any one of these network marketing companies, you'll be able to learn how to build a marketing system that sells that product for you, which is really, really cool. Now, like I said, you can mix and match products and find different affiliate products in these different booming industries in all them places I just shared with you on this video. So like I said, micro mobility, you'll be able to find personalized nutrition, solar power, e-commerce, e-learning products, wearable tech, internet publishing products, and software as a service products. And like I said, you can pick and choose from all these different industries and incorporate them into your affiliate hub based business. Before I get into my number 1 way to find affiliate products, let me know in the comments below if you've got an affiliate product or you're going to get an affiliate product to promote, and let me know what industry or what niche or category that you're going to build your affiliate system in, if you're going to build one. Now, my number 1 favourite way to find affiliate products is private and direct, and this is a way that no one really talks about. Like, everybody you hear talking about affiliate marketing will tell you you can go to Clickbank, but no one really talks about going private and direct, and these can't be found on the marketplaces. But what you want to do is you want to create a private marketing system around the company and be different from everybody else. Like I said, you see people promoting maybe a network marketing company and they're promoting it just based on the company, and they're no different than anybody else promoting that product. Like, what you want to do is you want to be different and have a unique marketing system around that offer to where you stand out and people would want to do business with you versus anybody else. So I'm going to share with you here the private offers marketplace. Okay, this is the private offers marketplace where I go and find my products to promote, and I sell products using the private offers marketplace, which is called the Chicky Boom Network. I'm going to let you know how you can get access to the Chicky Boom Network in a little second here. So the big takeaways here for this video is you want to look and find great products and companies that have ecosystems, and I'm going to share with you a little bit more about ecosystems in the up and coming videos. And what you want to do here, number 2, is you want to stack high ticket and low ticket offers, make sure that they're synergistic and complement each other, and you want to strategically combine multiple companies together and create your own marketing system and digital ecosystem, which is super, super cool. Now, if you're an affiliate marketer who wants to take this seriously and turbocharge this process, I'd like to invite you to watch the Affiliate Marketing Masterclass webinar at limitlessmoneyhub.com. Register for the webinar, the link is in the description below, and you can find great products to promote that people already want to buy now, and get access to the private offers marketplace called the Chicky Boom Network. And you can do all of this without having to filter through all the internet and these different sites that I just shared with you to find these great products to promote. All the research and heavy lifting's already done for you. So go ahead and check out the link in the description below and go ahead and register for the Affiliate Marketing Masterclass. I'll see you in the next video.